Last week I had my brick driveway surface washed by Shine On right here in the Villages, and a number of people wanted me to do a video showing what my bricks look like after I had them sealed. I did the entire job myself. It took 2 coats, and everybody check this out. I'm really happy with the result. You can do it yourself. Okay, some of you might have seen my video I did last week about power washing the driveway before you want to seal it. Actually, it was a surface cleaner. Well, I received some requests. They want to see what my driveway looked like after I sealed it. And here you go. It came out really nice. And what I used, which is available over at Lowe's and Home Depot, is Eagle Supreme. There you go. This is a solvent-based sealer. You can use it on brick, concrete. And one thing to remember is you can only put solvent over water-based. You cannot put water-based over a solvent-based sealer. It just can't be done. If you do that, you can be wasting your money. So if you can't remember what you did last time when you sealed your driveway, or maybe you just bought a new house here in the Villages and you're not really sure what the previous owner used, well then use a solvent-based sealer. What I have right here is 900 square feet. It took 2 5-gallon drums. You can get them at Lowe's or Home Depot. And if you buy it at Lowe's, you're going to get 10% off if you're a veteran. Just want to throw that out there. But I think it came out really nice. You can either use a sprayer, or in my case I used a 9-inch roller. And it took me probably about an hour and a half to do 1 coat, and this is 2 coats of Eagle Sealer. And it should last anywhere from 3 to 5 years. I'll probably go the 5-year route. Just something I want to share. If someone is thinking about sealing their driveway, I recommend the Eagle Sealer. Again, available over at Lowe's or Home Depot. Let's go over this way. There's my walk over to the front door. I think it came out really nice. It's got the nice shine to it, that wet look they call it. Go ahead, leave your comments.